Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Windows 11 is up to date and you've saved any work. Once done, press Windows key plus I and open Settings. Navigate to Accessibility right arrow text size for a quick, focused change to text, or go to System right arrow display right arrow scale for a broader adjustment affecting apps and icons. You're choosing here because text size adjusts readability without altering layout, whereas scale changes overall UI spacing. So pick the one that matches your goal and proceed to adjust the control. Now adjust the slider or scale and observe the live preview to judge readability. If you used Accessibility right arrow text size, drag the slider and click Apply to commit changes. If you used System right arrow display, choose a preset like 125% or 150% or click Advanced Scaling to type a custom percentage. Make sure to read the warning that some legacy apps can appear blurry. You're doing this because presets maintain balanced layouts, while custom scaling gives precision at the cost of potential app rendering issues. Finish by signing out or restarting when Windows prompts you. This ensures scale changes apply everywhere. Make sure to run ClearType Text Tuner, search ClearType, to sharpen font rendering and update your graphics driver if text looks fuzzy. If an app misbehaves, revert to the recommended scale or try a different value until it's usable. As a troubleshooting tip, if text remains blurry after changes, reset scaling to 100%, then reapply a recommended preset. That often clears rendering glitches caused by custom factors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.